Hi, I'm Kelly Brack. I've been coming to Archer for the last 5 years, and it's really transformed my body and my health. When I first came to the studio, I had a ruptured disc in my back, L5S1, and I had 3 kids, and I had really weak abdominal muscles, and I'd never done Pilates before. I came here really as a therapy to try to help my back, and ended up finding out that I loved it for so many reasons other than that.
Alright, so keep that tailbone planted all the way into the carriage. Make sure to lift your legs, open up your chest, shoulder blades.
Melanie, the owner, has been phenomenal. She's become a great friend. She does unbelievable classes. I do a lot of privates with her, which I really enjoy. And it's all about, technique as well as, what works best for us. So I'm very inflexible, and through Pilates, I've really gained a lot more flexibility and a range of motion, and I feel like it keeps me fit and young. For my kids, I've got 3 little kids. Myself and my fiance has 3 little kids, so we've got lots of kids running around. So if I'm not here 2 days a week, I am hurting and feeling it. So in any event, it's fabulous. I can't thank Melanie and the other instructors enough, and would recommend Archer to anyone.